Hi everybody, my name is Martin Behle, operating partner of METRO. As a mentor, I met Tsenso a few months ago, and Tsenso came around with an idea which was amazingly incredible. Hard to understand from the very beginning, but we dig deep into it, and I find it breathtaking. And Matthias, who is the CEO, is going to take you now on his odyssey, and I hope that you enjoyed as much as I enjoyed it over the last month working with him. Thank you very much and good luck.
Please welcome onto stage the man who is going to help us dig deep. It's the one and only Matthias.
Do you remember the last time you opened your fridge at home and you found this one yogurt? This one yogurt all the way in the back? One day it's there and, oh my God, it's old. Who has found this yogurt? Come on, please. And who has thrown it away? Exactly, me too. It was expired. This is uncertainty. We don't know if it's still good to eat or not, so we better throw it away, even though it might still be eatable. Now, the same uncertainty also exists in the food industry. The way they are trying to manage food safety and product freshness is by closely monitoring the temperature during storage. Now, each player in the supply chain has its own temperature monitoring solution. What they really care about is that within their area of responsibility, the limit temperature is observed. So all this beautiful measurement data is just compressed and reduced to a simple okay, non-okay condition. Printed and signed. The rest of the beautiful data archived as PDF. Wasted. The consequences of this waste of data are severe. Pork meat, for example, stored at the limit temperature, which is 7 degrees, lasts for around 5 days. Now in the food industry, meat is stored at 2 degrees. That's kind of a standard to be safe. Now the same pork stored at 2 degrees lasts for 20 days. So by assuming some worst case storage conditions, 7 degrees, rather than using the real measured values, we're wasting 75% of the product shelf life. I mean, 75%. And that is a huge opportunity for us. We at Tsenso, the B2B cloud solution that tells the true freshness of food. First, we have to rescue the measurement data from the PDF graveyards. So we provide an open data platform and we collect the monitorings from farm to fork and combine them into a product life history. Second, this product temperature data is then used with the details of the company's ERP system in a bacterial growth simulation to tell the true freshness of food. Now I know we're not used to speak about freshness in terms of bacteria numbers. To make this usable capable to be used in industrial use, happy to introduce the Fresh Index. The Fresh Index captures product freshness in an easy to understand number. Number 1, still safe to eat, to number 5, super fresh. The Fresh Index is a powerful tool. Let me give you an example. 2 trucks arrive. A, in blue, stored well below the temperature limit. B, with a better cooling but this temperature spike. Today, for food safety, B has to be thrown away. If you were to perform a microbiological analysis, though, you would say that the bacteria contamination in B actually is lower than in A, due to the lower average temperature. We are wasting perfectly good food. Now, with the help of the Fresh Index, we know as the truck arrives, A and B are safe to sell and for how long. To make this real, we initiated a collaboration with the University of Wageningen. The companies have in-depth knowledge about the quality of their food. They get to exploit the full shelf life potential. And actually, the Fresh Index is a great tool to cut the cost of the suppliers because you can now link the quality they deliver with a freshness number. So, to make this possible, we have initiated a collaboration with Wageningen University, a global focal point on life sciences. They've been working on this topic for 10 years. We now have the proof of concept. The Fresh Index is possible and of amazing accuracy. As a first step towards implementation, we made a trial with METRO Quality and showed that gapless monitoring across Europe is possible at moderate cost and will even extend this monitoring from the store to the door of the customers with a delivery trial with METRO France early next year. So the team. There's Wachingen, Twan Timmermans in the research lab, long-time expert in food safety. Professor Fleck, systems biology. He's improving the mathematical models to the next level. To be able to deliver the security and reliability of this critical application, we partnered with Abstracture. We know them from previous projects. They're amazing at complex data structures, and they're implementation partners to major German banks. I developed sensors at Robert Bosch for 10 years before founding Tsenso in 2015. We are IoT experts, and we launched our monitoring cloud this year. Together, this team and Metro, as our business partner, have the know-how to develop and the power to drive into the market the Fresh Index. It's about the dream of any governmental research fund. So with this grant money, we'll multiply any seed phase investment by a factor 3 to 4 and get market readiness in 2 years. Let's have a look into the future outside the industry. The Fresh Index adds great value to the connected kitchen of the future. We reached out to Bosch Home Appliances. They immediately invited us for an interview in January. So soon, in a couple of years, when you open your new smart fridge at home, it will tell you the true freshness of your food. This is Tsenso. I'm Matthias. Thank you.